Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today working on a Stihl. This is an FF56 RC, and I want to show you what's going on with this one. We've had this problem before, and I want to show you how to fix it really quick and get this thing back in service. So let me show you what it's doing. So you see it's not revving up, guys. If you follow my channel, you're going to know what this is. But if you don't, do me a favor, please follow, hit the bell for further notifications, and hit the like button for me. Let me show you what's going on. All right, so like I said, guys, if you follow me, you're going to know what this is. But take a look down in here. See that exhaust screen right there? It's completely clogged. The exhaust can't get out. So this thing is screaming, trying to get rid of the exhaust, and it can't. So it's just backing up, fouling everything up, making a mess. So we're going to pull that screen out. There's not enough room. There's no access to it on the side. But with that cover off, that'll give us enough room. And that's just a couple of bolts to get the pull start off, and we'll get that out of the way. Get 1, 2, 3. Should be able to get that out. All right, let's take these off. All right, so now with that back cover off, we can take off this flathead right here. Then we just got to get the screen out, which is right here. So I'm going to get a hook to pull this thing out of here. Sometimes it just slides out, but this one's a little stubborn. It's so gummed up in there. All right. Pretty nasty. Can't see any light through that thing. So let me clean this all out. We'll put it back in. All right, nice and clean again. You can see through it. So I'm gonna get that back in there, put the screw back in, and get this back cover on. All right, let's get this cover back on. All right. All right, guys, so check it out. That is a screen. It's a spark arrestor. It stops anything from, catching your field on fire when you're weeding and stuff like that. You're going to want to have that in there, but it is part of your maintenance. It should be part of your maintenance. If not, that's going to get clogged up. You're going to have problems running. It's going to cause all kinds of issues if you ignore it. So make sure you take it out at least once a year, give it a good clean, and you'll be good to go for a long time to come. So hopefully, guys, this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.